You can't fix your entire life in one day, but you can destroy the version of you that's ruining it. And that's enough, because your life isn't broken. It's just unmanaged. You wake up, scroll, delay, escape, repeat. Not because you're incapable, because you've never interrupted the pattern. And patterns don't break with motivation, they break with shock. So if you want to change your life in one day, you don't improve it, you reset it. Here's how. Step 1. Cut the noise. For the next 24 hours, no social media, no random content, no useless dopamine, just silence. Because right now your mind is crowded. Too many inputs, too many opinions, too many distractions. And clarity can't exist in noise. At first it will feel uncomfortable. Good, that's your brain detoxing. But this is where most people fail. They escape. Don't. Because what comes next changes everything. Step 2. Confront the truth. Sit down. No music, no phone, and write. What's actually wrong with your life? Not surface level answers. Real ones. Where are you wasting time? What are you avoiding? Who are you pretending to be? This part will hit your ego. That's the point. Because you can't fix a life you keep lying about. And once you see the truth clearly, you'll feel pressure. That pressure leads to the next step. Step 3. Do one hard thing immediately, not later. Now. The task you've been delaying, start it. Messy, imperfect, uncomfortable. Because action is the fastest way to break identity. The moment you act, you interrupt the old version of yourself. But most people stop here, and that's why nothing changes. So here's the final step. Step 4. Lock the new standard. Before the day ends, decide, this is who I am now. Not based on feelings, based on action. You showed up. You faced truth. You did the hard thing. That's your new identity. And tomorrow, you prove it again. Because your life doesn't change in a day. Your standards do. And your standards create your future. So don't try to fix everything. Just kill the version of you that keeps repeating the same mistakes. Because the moment that version disappears, a new life doesn't need to be built. It starts automatically.